Welcome to Share Plant Rentals. In this tutorial, we'll be demonstrating how to set up your duration discounts in your owner dashboard. Navigate to your dashboard by selecting the drop-down menu in the top right. Once in your dashboard, select Rental Products and Promotions, and then click on Duration Discounts. A duration discount is a discount that you can apply when a rental exceeds a set amount of days. To begin, click into the Select Product box and select which one of your product listings you would like to add a duration discount onto. Next, select how long you would like the duration to be. And finally, set a discount percentage. Select Save Changes and your duration discount will be displayed below. I will now show you how this would work on the website as a buyer would see it. As shown here, the discount is displayed when you select the price to rent. It will also tell you the duration needed to receive the discount. In this case, the duration is set to 4 days or over to receive the discount. The discount is shown in your cart. You have now completed your duration discount setup. For more guidance and next steps, please visit our website or YouTube channel.